Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a day in the life. Excuse my crazy bed hair. I literally just woke up. Super busy day ahead. Tank has his 2-year appointment and we're gonna probably go see my grandma. She's not doing so good, so me and the kids are gonna go see her sometime this afternoon. I need some coffee. I'm gonna go get Tank out of his bed so I can get him dressed. It's like 8 o'clock. We have to leave in an hour. You wanna say good morning, fat man? Samir's awake. Say good morning, YouTube. You say good morning. He's not feeling good. He was coughing all night. You don't feel good?
No.
Okay, we're gonna go get Tank out of the bed now. Are you naked? Say good morning. Tank is officially naked. He takes all of his clothes off every time he goes to bed. You ready to go to the doctor, Tank Tank?
No.
Yeah? Okay. Did you just stand here and pee on the floor? Gross. Oh my God, and I just stepped in it. Time out.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me.
Okay guys, it is way later in the afternoon at this point. We went to Tank's doctor's appointment. That was fun. Not really. Found out his iron is super low, so he has to be put on an iron medication, and then we go back in 4 weeks so they can take his blood and check his iron again. And then his eczema is just really bad, so trying something different in that approach. And he weighs 30 pounds, 35 inches tall, so he's small. I honestly think Samir probably weighs as much as Tank. So now we're gonna get ready to head on out and go over to my mom's and go visit my grandma for a little bit. Do you guys like my sweatshirt, Barbie? I got this from Rue 21. I'll show you guys. Look at him. This is what he does. What are you doing?
Hey.
Look at him. Look at this cutie. Hi. Hi, handsome baby. Hey, handsome baby. This is mommy's good one.
This is my house.
Yeah. So I'll check back in with you guys soon. You say hey, YouTube?
YouTube.
Say hey.
Hey.
Say what's up, YouTube.
What's up, YouTube?
Do you got a channel?
Yeah.
Say your introduction.
I got Roblox.
You're gonna make a channel about Roblox? That's all he talks about. All right, we'll check back in later. Mom life, upset baby. I totally have not vlogged. Oh shit. I totally have not vlogged when we were at my grandma's, because like I said, my grandma fell. So yeah, she didn't look the greatest, so I didn't want to put her on camera like that. She had some bruised eyes. She fell out of her bed. She's wheelchair bound and she is in a nursing home, so I think she was kind of really delusional that day that they said this happened a couple of days ago. And she fell out of her bed, and then later in the evening she fell out of her chair. So I'm really, really close to my grandma. I grew up with her, seeing her every day of my life from childhood up until probably when she got in the nursing home. And I live like 30, 40 minutes away from where she's at, which is where I'm from. So I don't get there as much as I should, which I feel really bad, and there's no excuse for it. But I go when I can. So we went there. We spent about 2 hours with her.
My just a grab.
Hey, fat man. What you got?
Yeah.
Hey. Samir. Hi, handsome.
Yeah.
Hey. You trying to get the camera? You got a little snotty nose? Tank, Tank. Tank. Hello, mess magnet.
Hey, leave them blinds alone.
I want
The blinds, everything. Otherwise, I won't get my deposit back.
Fortnite life. This is all Lakin does is play Fortnite.
I will play Fortnite.
Yeah. I see you're playing Fortnite. Tank, get away from the door.
Come here.
Go to grandma.
Come here, Tank. Come here.
Tank, say
I'm
hi.
done with that stuff.
Say hi.
I want to play Fortnite.
I think he's done.
Say cheese. I'm done.
I will explain.
You say hi.
Where does it show?
Get out your mouth.
Where does it show?
You want to say hi?
I
Hi.
want this, Mom. I want that. Is this your house?
What's your grandma's house?
Oh, okay. We're on Fortnite.
Tank, get down. Stop.
Mom,
Bad child of mine.
Mommy,
These are my new curtains. They just came in today from Amazon. How freaking cute. I love them. I love this detail on the bottom. I've been having my eyes on different buffalo check curtains. These I want to say were like $11 per one. I'll have it linked down in the description box for you guys for any of you that are interested. And they had like the whole sets too. But I thought this was so cute. I loved like a white lace at the bottom. So it's kind of, I'm slowly but surely mixing over into the farmhouse decor. And during the day, probably tomorrow, I'll show you guys. I feel like it kind of brightens up the kitchen a little bit more too. Because if you look at my previous videos, like my cleaning videos, I had like the maroon kind of that matched the stars up there. That was up there. And I've been trying to switch. And also, I got these kitchen mittens. Don't mind my dirtiness going on. I got to clean. But these were from Amazon too. I will link these. I've been looking for oven mitts. I don't know what I said, kitchen mittens. I've been looking for oven mitts and I thought these were perfect. And I think they were like $8 or $9 for both of these. Super good quality, you guys. These are so thick and it matches, get down, Tank, my towels. I got these from Target from the dollar spot. So super cute. This is what I got. This was my happy meal today. My new curtains and my oven mitts. Good morning, guys. It is officially the next day. Morning hair. What is going on with this? So I got my coffee. It is like 7:55. Look at my cup. Happy Lobby. You want to say good morning?
Poop.
Poop. Really? Say good morning.
What we're at
Where are you going?
school.
School. Let's go get on the bus.
Yes.
Okay, zip your coat up.
No.
Zip your coat up. Smart mouth. So I switched to this creamer now. If you guys watched one of my videos, I don't even think it was in a video. I think it was an Instagram post. I shared their new creamer. It was Snickers. I have flavored coffee. I liked it, but after a while, I think the tastes were kind of clashing. So I gave it to my mom, which she loved. Let me prop you guys up right there. So I got caramel latte. So I'm gonna make my coffee really fast and then I'm gonna go out to run Lakin to get on the bus. And then I have to clean my house. I didn't clean it last night. So I filmed a Dollar Tree haul that you guys will already see. At first I was gonna save the video, but I decided to just have it go up. And so yeah, I gotta clean. It's now the second day. Don't have anything really planned.
Me.
We gotta take all the garbage out too. It's garbage day.
No. It even go like that. No. Mom. Let's put it out. Wait.
What?
Put your finger out. No. Another time. No. Put the finger out.
All right, we gotta go. Come on, let's go. Go. Be careful, it's icy. Go right, this way, right. She's picking you up from over here now. This way. Say good morning. Sick baby. Snotty face. Oh. Why are you trying to beat the camera? We got mommy's planner stuff. Look at them curls. Look at them little curls. You mad? Is that you?